Renesas AE-CLOUD1 Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox configuration. We'll show you how to connect the S5D9 board to the Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox dashboard and AWS. Connect the Sager JLink Lite debugger to the board using the JTAG connector. Connect a micro USB cable to the board. Take out the Wi-Fi module and connect it to the PMOD connector on the board. After the PMOD connector is inserted, make sure that the jumper is set to 3 volts, not 5 volts. It will not work when the 5 volt is selected. Connect another micro USB cable to the debugger board. You now have 2 USB cables. Both of these need to be connected to your workstation. You do not need to power the Wi-Fi module. It is getting power from the PMOD connector. However, both the debugger and the board itself needs to be plugged into your computer. Files from the Renesas site. To find the Renesas site, you can start off at the seed site or the main Renesas site for the AE-CLOUD1 Kit. For the Getting Started section, find the Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox application. The link will take you to the Renesas Download section where you can download the application project. You may need to register for the Renesas site. After registration, you should be able to download the file after you agree to the end user license agreement. Save the file to your computer and unzip it. Go into the folder, look for a file called AE-CLOUD1-bat.zip and unzip the file. Once the file is unzipped, go into that folder. Double-click on s1.bat. The Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox.hex file will automatically be transferred onto your S5D9 board. Reboot the board. Connect to the board again with a serial terminal. I am using TerraTerm. You can also use PuTTY. Once connected, type in KTID to get the board ID. Go to cloud.renesasynergy.com. Create an account. Fill in the information. You will get a confirmation email. Confirm the account, log in. You will need to add a new device. You will need the board ID for this. Copy and paste it into the section for serial number. Add a device name that's meaningful to you. Provision the device, press Add. In my screen I have 2 devices. You will only have 1 device. Go back to TerraTerm. You will need to configure your device with networking capability. Pressing the question mark key will give you a help screen. CWiz will allow you to configure your network. If you are using the GT202 Wi-Fi module, press Wi-Fi. You will need to input the SSID and password of your Wi-Fi router. Also select WPA2 in most cases. I am using DHCP for my IP address. I have already pre-configured my user with my email and password from the SECT Toolbox dashboard. You can get the status of the board with stat and the sensor data with sense. Boot the board by typing the boot command. The board will create a TLS session, initialize the certificates, and indicate that the TLS session is done. Start the turbine demo by typing turb space start. Press enter. Sensor data will be displayed both to the console and will be updating the web-based dashboard in real time. Congratulations, you've just configured the Renesas Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox.
The AE-CLOUD1 Kit actually consists of 3 different products. You can buy each of the products separately or buy the entire kit together. And now there is a 50% discount coupon that you can apply to multiple products, the entire kit, or buy the same unit multiple times. The first product is the Iot Fast Prototyping Kit. It's the S5D9. When you buy this kit, it's about $35 prior to the discount. It comes with a small manual. It's fully functional. You could use the board by itself. If you want to do more embedded design programming, you will need the Sega J-Link Lite for Renesas Synergy, the debugger. This is the debugger. Without the debugger, you won't be able to transfer the binary over onto the board using the .srec file. The third component is the Wi-Fi module. So you can buy it separately or you can buy it with the kit. It does plug into the PMOD adapter. So there's a 50% discount on all the products right now with a coupon. In the link below, there's information on how to get that coupon.